Hmm. Hmm. What do I do today? Hmm. What we go back to when I get home?